the flick of the wrist. Look at 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 the flick of the wrist.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with me, Basic Bree. Oh yeah, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I'm not even going to explain why I've been gone. I've just been gone, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. If you are new here, hello, my name is Brianna, aka not Beauty Bree anymore, but Basic Bree. I'm just going to use Basic Bree because that's all my social media names. You know, Beauty Bree is already basic and I'm basic, so you know. So yeah, that is my new name for 2018, and this is my first video of 2018. This new wig that I have, the OUTRE Jewelry Loose Wave Wig, well, half wig. Oh, that sun just got bright. This is my review on this wig. As you can see, I am looking bomb.com, except for what I got on. Okay, what I got on is just like regular sweatshirt and some ripped up leggings. I just installed it this morning. It was like a 10-minute process. That I'm really feeling it. It's like a loose beach curl wave, you know. I have the front part, the front part of my hair out, and I need to like dye it a little darker and put like a rinse, like a black rinse on it so it can match, because my hair was burgundy, but I'm just gonna put like a rinse on it so I don't put a permanent dye on it so it can match better. So just ignore that. This is actually like one of my first wigs that I ever like wore and installed, and I think I'm actually gonna start buying more synthetic wigs because they're easy, they're cheap, and they're not bad just for you to pop on just like a quick weave. Especially if you're like me, you don't feel like doing your hair all the time. I literally will just buy a wig. It's really bouncy. I can shake it. Oh, yeah. Okay, wow. Actually had watched this girl's YouTube video which made me want to buy this wig. She bought it for $12, literally $12. And I went on the website, but it was out of stock. But then there was another website in her link that sent me to Amazon, and it was only $25. So I was like, okay, that's still cheap for like a nice wig, and it's like really nice. So I clicked that link and I purchased it like Thursday night, and I got it Saturday morning. Like that was fast for a wig, because I was expecting it like I was expecting to get it next week. You can do a lot with this half wig. You can put it in styles. Say I want it in a ponytail. I really don't know how I look right now. I do not have a mirror, but I laid my baby hairs and stuff. Well, my adult hairs, forcing the baby hairs. Put in a ponytail. You can wear it to the side, like I got it. I want to say I can do the middle part, but I don't really have a mirror. I don't know how I look right now, but you know, you can just wear it like this. Flip, 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 you know, whatever you want to do is very easy. Have some up and rest in the back. If you do want to put this up in a bun, I suggest that you have all of your hair out, including, not all of your hair out. I suggest that you part like you're wearing a 360 wig. You part your hair 360 and leave some of the hair out if you want to put it like up, so that you know, you can wear it in the bun. It gets a little tangled, but not too much. I can't handle like that little tangle. I just brush it with one of these powder brushes. Just brush it, and yeah. So that's pretty much all that I have to say about the wig itself. I mean, fast shipment, easy to put on, 10-minute process, quick weave, the cute, you know, waves. You want to be baddie on a budget, I suggest that you do this. I mean, I know y'all love human hair and all, but synthetic hair works too. I used to be one of those people that's like, I don't want to wear synthetic hair. But if you can work it like this don't even look like synthetic hair. It doesn't. If you can work it, then yes, it'll look great on you. Especially me, like, I'm trying to save, you know, I can't always spend like $300, $200, $1,000, $1,000, whatever on human hair, although I really love it. I like lace closures, all of that, lace wigs. I just don't have time to spend money on that all the time. So I'm going to start buying me some cheap wigs and just throwing them on, boop, and just calling it a day, because, you know, your girl is balling on a budget, okay? If you're interested in this wig, all of the info will be in the description below. If you guys would like me to make a video on how I installed it myself, then comment below. Tell me on my social media or whatever, just let me know and I will most definitely do that. More videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my journey and grow with me and be basic just like moi, you know. How do y'all feel about my name changing it to Basic Bree? Because I really like it. I can dig it. I can dig it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah.